Hey YouTube, this is Shay from VanCityRideShare, and this is my first episode of my dashcam diary. I'm just going to let it roll with some comments, and yeah, speaking of let it roll, this lady would like to let it roll right into my vehicle. She also cut off 2 bikes that were in that crosswalk. This guy decided that he wanted to make a left-hand turn into my car while he makes a big wide right turn down that street. He was within an inch of hitting my car. Pay attention to this guy on the left. He's in the crosswalk, and this lady here who's crossing towards us with a baby buggy. For some reason, this black car blows through the intersection, doesn't stop for the guy in the crosswalk or this lady and this vulnerable little child. I'm going to take a left-hand turn before this intersection, and this guy right here decides that he is going to run the stop sign and go when it's not his turn. These guys are trying to get into the right-hand lane because somebody's turning left in front of them. This guy just kind of goes and cuts the guy off in front of me. And then this guy decides that he's going to go without signaling. Thanks. Oh, there it is. Thanks for the signal, buddy.
Anyways,
Coming up to Main Street here, my light goes yellow. I got the right-of-way. And these guys all decide that, yeah, you know what? They have the right-of-way. They're just going to cut in front of me. I'm going to go ahead and take a right-hand turn right here in this intersection. Just, oh, wait a second. That's a bad idea.
That wouldn't have been a fun right turn.
This guy right here is in a hurry. He pulled up beside me and was blasting his music, and then he decided that he was going to rip as fast as he could.
Just off the Grandview Highway?
Here he is again, caught up to him, driving normal speeds, and as you can see, he is in a real hurry.
I don't know why.
I never saw him again after this. Thank you very much for watching, you guys. I plan on releasing many more episodes as I have a ton of footage. Thank you. Please subscribe, tap that bell notification, and see you soon.